I'm gonna title this video "Homeless Man Uses RC Simulator." Whoa! Spinning, you son of a bitch. Yeah!
I have noticed that most of you goofballs are not subscribed to RCers Anonymous. If you are subscribed when the channel hits 500, you have a chance to win a plane just like this one. Also, would it kill you to leave a like? Thank you for watching.
Take off again.
Hold on. Turn this way.
I'm gonna title this video "Homeless Man Uses RC Simulator."
Oh wait, touch and go. Turn this way. There we go.
You're missing a wing, dude. Bet you I get it up in the air. Full up. Gun it. Pull back. Yeah. And into the trees.
Go.
Pilot, are you ready to land? Yeah, I'm ready to land.
Flap tip.
Good. We'll go full flap.
Did the flipper check and the flapper check.
Can you do a barrel roll?
Yeah. Let's do a flap first.
Hey, it's a backflip barrel roll.
It was like Kenny at the hobby shop on the simulator. That's what he was doing.
Or that, or I can get a new RC car.
Yeah.
Helicopters, fan boats.
Yeah, there's one fan boat with an alligator smoking a cigarette on it.
Yeah, he's smoking a corn cob pipe.
Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, I'm gonna buzz up and then I'm gonna bring it in for landing. That wasn't a good day. I have the freaking flaps on, that's why. Slows the plane down. If I had my bike, I wouldn't be here.
I didn't think to bring your bike because I thought you were driving your RC car and stuff.
Alright, let's bring her in. Okay. Oh, fuck. That'll put hair on your peaches. Alright. I need new landing gear on the front anyways, it looks like.